Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I have the July Guess What box unboxing and review for you guys. Last month was my first and I had fallen head over heels seeing the contents. They even made it to my recommendations in Clash of Subscriptions, and this month the theme is Disney Treasures. So a true Disney lover like me had to get it, and of course I have a discount code for you guys. So without wasting any time, let's quickly start unboxing. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. That's how the package arrived. So this time we are back to the box and just look at that packaging. It's like a gift from your fairy godmother. It's just magnificent. The shimmer, the ribbons, truly spectacular. And we have this small sandal keyring reminding us of Cinderella. This is a metal and good quality keyring and the perfect keyring for models or fashionistas. Now let's have a look at the contents. Here we have the theme of the month written, and we have an info card which we will go through later, and we have so many things inside. At first I am seeing something from Fuchsia. So this is the Blueberry Bloom Bath Salt, which has sea salt with Dead Sea minerals, Epsom salt, Himalayan salt, blueberry essential oil and olive oil. This is a 100-gram full-size product. So this is how the bottle looks like, and the cost of this product is 450 rupees. I need not say that Fuchsia is SLS, phthalates and paraben free and cruelty free. So this is our first product. That's how the product is, and it does smell of blueberries. I love relaxing in a hot bathtub, but I only get the time once in a couple of weeks, so half of my bath salts go to my dad. He loves getting a good foot soak. It relaxes muscles and soothes any kind of soreness or pain in body. So if you don't have a tub, you can use these as foot soaks too. So that was our first product. Moving on to the second one. Okay, so this is the In Color Baking Highlight. The product description says blusher, but this is definitely a highlighter. This is in the shade Desert Rose. Oh, I remember Shaima from Desert Rose Journals. And this is how it looks. And there's a swatch. Let me try to blend it. Blends pretty well. This has a pinkish tone to it. Well, honestly, I didn't need a new highlighter, but this one here is really beautiful. It's very fine milled and not very chunky. I hate those highlighters which look like you have put on glitter on your face. This one is a little glittery, but it will give you a nice subtle glow, which is good. And of course you can build it up to get that Instagram fleek of light on your cheeks. It's up to you how you like it. So I did like this one too. I cannot say that this is the best highlighter in market, but yeah, it is definitely a good one. This tiara has been calling me from the beginning. So let me show it to you guys. This is having white flowers, roses and some pearls on a golden ring. It is very pretty and cute as tiaras are. I didn't have a tiara yet. I didn't want to spend money on something which I might just end up wearing at home alone in front of the mirror. But I'm so happy it found its way to me. Now I can be a secret princess who hides a tiara in front of the world like superheroes. What would be my superpowers then? Very happy to receive this. Then we have a food item here. This is Too Yum. Anytime, anywhere, as much. These are tandoori fox nuts. I don't know what these are, but they look like some kind of chips. Shall we open it? This is a 30 rupees pack. Let's open it. They always send some food item in their bag or box. Oh, so these are what they are. Oh, these are makhanas actually. These are really good for your health too, and they are really spicy. Really good. Last time they had sent some mouth fresheners and chocolates. So here there is a set of clips, very pretty with hearts on it and bows, colorful and quirky. This is from Design Pub. and it is made in China, and I cannot read the cost here, but that will be mentioned in the info card. I have recently got such a gift from a friend because I love such cute stationery, colorful stuff. If you don't work with papers and stuff, then you can use this to clip some of your favorite photos onto a wool or any thick thread and then hang it on your wall. It looks really nice and it's a very easy DIY decoration. If not photos, it can be printouts of your favorite quotes. You can customize as you like, of course, and you can add on some fairy lights as well. So I'm really happy with this product. I do like such products actually. So this is the lantern candle from Jilly or Jilly, I guess, and they have different colors as we can see here. Okay, so this is how it is. It is actually a lantern with a candle inside it, and see the glitters and the decoration inside the candle. It is the gel candle that we find in gift stores. This is really pretty. I am a crazy girl when it comes to candles, lanterns and tea lights. I have so many of them at my house and I still keep getting more and more, and we don't even have power cuts here. So what I do is I switch off my lights and enjoy the scented candles alone. I know it's weird to be in half-lit room, but I really enjoy that time of relaxing, not doing anything. So really happy with this product in the box. It's my favorite till now. Next we have a perfume from Niche, and this is the Rose Mohabbat 20 ml product, and this is worth 340 rupees. I had received one of these in one of my previous Lady Gaga bags, and I really liked using it. They are very sleek and stylish to carry in your handbag. And this one here is a rose fragrance, which is such a sensual floral fragrance. Really enticing. I love rose fragrances, floral ones. So this is again a product of my liking. Then we have this exposed lipstick. Oh, we have got a lipstick. That's my favorite makeup product. I'm so happy. This is a 3.7 gram product and it is a cruelty-free lipstick. It's in the shade Ruby Woo. So that is actually a MAC shade. So I'm expecting it to be a red lipstick. Oh, it has magnetic closure. I love this. I never had a magnetic closure lipstick. I'm loving this magnetic closure, and that is how the shade is. It is a pure red, beautiful red color. So I really like this lipstick. I'm not going to swatch it because I might keep it for a giveaway or gift it to somebody, since I have a lot of red lipsticks, but it is an in color product and it is definitely a very good lipstick. So we have got two full-sized makeup. Can you believe that? Then there is something really pretty and cute. It's a nail art decoration kit. Let me open and show it to you guys. So we have a nail filer, a glue, and these beautiful shimmers and glitters. Can you see how beautiful they are? They're really gorgeous, and it is so easy to do nail art with these. You don't even need the glue to use them. What you can do is you can apply a top coat, sprinkle some of these and apply it using this or just your fingertips, and then apply a second layer of top coat to seal everything, and it is going to look really beautiful. I'll surely try it out and post a pic on my Insta. It's a very nice kit for simple, easy nail art to start with. This can be used by everybody. You don't need to be a nail art expert to use this. So a really good product, I'd say. Then we have a piece of jewelry inside this small mesh bag. So the chain is in rose gold color and it's a really good quality chain. Let me show you. So that's how the chain is. And look at the pendant. It's really a very cute and lovely pendant. Like last time, quality is really nice. And it's the perfect piece for animal lovers and those who love their pets. It's really very cute. I liked it a lot. It's a very stylish way of sending a message to the world. And as you can see from the bag, it is like that. So the quality is really good. Now let's have a look at the info card. We already read the price of the Fuchsia bath salt, that's 450 rupees, and the Niche perfume of 340 rupees. The glowing candle lantern is for 249 rupees. The tiara is for just 49 rupees. The in color baked highlight is for 479 rupees. The enchanted nail art kit is for 149 rupees. Here it says Swiss Beauty apple red lipstick for 299 rupees, but actually I have received in color red lipstick, so that might be a little bit costlier than that. They might have ran out of stock for this one here. Then the Mr. Fox pendant is for 249 rupees and the postcard wooden clips is for 248 rupees. So those were all the products that we received this month. And don't let the Disney theme fool you into thinking that it's a box for kids. It's for the lovely ladies out there who are their daddy's princesses, because we have got 2 full-sized makeup products, highlighter and lipstick, then a perfume, a bath salt and a nail art kit, all of which are beauty products. Then we have 2 accessories, jewelry, that necklace and a tiara, and finally 2 pieces of cute fun stuff that Guess-It Box always sends, which are perfect to decorate your room this time. The candle or the lantern and the clips, and we have a small packet of chips or makhanas. So overall I'm very happy with the box. I did like all the products right from the box to the last one. A good variety and premium quality is what I can now expect from this subscription. It's not like the other subscriptions in market. They do send unique products, but I think that's what makes them special. I think this box would be a really good gift too, especially with the packaging. So yeah, that's what my opinion is on this box. I'll leave the link to buy the box and the discount code in the description box for those of you interested in buying. Do let me know your favorite product in the box. Mine has to be the lantern candle and the fox pendant too. And please hit the like button to make Mr. Fox happy along with me. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the red subscribe button or else he's gonna start crying. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.